Hi, vlog!
Ano na kami? Day 2. Official day 2. But actually, third day in Japan. So, nasa green car kami. Green car. Nasa second floor kami ng train. Hey, guess what? Finally, we're here. Sa Hase? Oh, hi. Hello, good
Hi, vlog!
morning. Ano na kami? Day 2. Official day 2. But actually, third day in Japan. So, we are heading to Kamakura today. And half day lang yon, then we'll go around Tokyo again. And we are now going to Mami D's and Mami Carol's hotel. So, just a few steps away from ours. Okay? So, sama namin kayo doon uli today. Nakatulog kayo? Napuyat kayo, no? Sa 11. Kasi ko na ako, kailangan i-adjust kasi kakatulog lang nila. Kami din eh.
Mabuyatin lang.
Kaya mong tiisin ng konti. Di ba may mga matanda nagagalit? Talaga? Hello. Yan. So, nasa Totsuka na kami na station. We will be transferring to another train for a quick ride. Going to Kamakura. The station. Train. Wow, nice. Ilang minutes pa? 3 minutes. Okay, hello, hello, hello.
Hello!
Ang haba ng ride natin.
Oo, magbabas pa tayo. Pagkanta natin yun. Ayun, parang maraming share. Parang maraming share. Oh, yun.
Hello, kuya.
Japan Heritage Kamakura. Yeah, here, Tori.
Oh, hi. Tignan mo, oh. Diyan kabilong kahapon, oh. Sa color na yan.
Wala na.
Sabi ko ano?
Kamakura. Ito, ba't nakalagay Kamakura going there? Daddy.
Sa Kamakura na tayo.
Okay. Saan yung ano? Ayun, oh, temple. Ano yung pupuntahan natin? Kosu Fuji? Ha? Koku Fuji. Koku Fuji. Parang ito na yun. Anong natin?
Para sa kanya. Niko.
Parang Nico, mahirap hanapin. So, Hokokuji Temple. We are going there. Alam mo, Raud, nakalimutan ko yung mic. I don't know. Is it here? Daddy.
Hello. We're going to Hokokuji Temple.
Ah. So it's not as too far.
Planned itinerary that, 200, 300 meters from.
Nice. Yung cherry blossoms, ano yan? Hindi pa rin nagbo-bloom. That's another. Oh, look oh. Ganda. Picture there. Oh, bigay mo sa kanila. Ewan ko, sample daw. Map.
Dito nga.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Bawal? Ay. Oh, that's the exit only. Wow, ang sarap dito. It's so cold. Grabe naman. Pwede naman yung ganong level ng ingay. Wow, so nice here. MJ, Ralphie, look. Right, so nice here, Daddy. Ang lamig. So beautiful. It's so nice here, diba? Ang lamig. Ang sarap. And it's big. Mukhang magagawan yung part 2 nyo.
Oh, kaya
Mas tago dun. People na. Hi. Hello, Daddy.
so nice, oh.
Yeah. Nice, diba? There. Saan kaya din ilalagay yung camera natin? Photo.
We have stand.
Ayun, may salamin eh. Oh.
Ito medyo malayo na. Hindi na yung stand.
Okay. Ganda. Sa bamboo forest. Careful ah, careful. It's rough. So nice, oh. We have little man-made kaya yan? Feeling parang no? Man-made kaya yan ganyan? Parang Pero ang ganda sa lamig. Ang sarap, ang lamig ng weather. Tingnan mo to. Anong tawag dyan? Yung parang maliit na aratilis. Oh, may cave.
Sabi nga ni Kuya, tumbaw.
Oh, but you cannot get in. Alright.
So here. So here and here.
Oh, nice.
Pero hindi ganito. Pero ano ko? Yapan ang pag.
Natin may daan.
May nangyari yan dati. Ang clinic ko sa ngayon.
And that's it?
Meron pag dito lang. It's a tomb. That's a tomb.
Oh. Ito, maganda to kapag autumn. Maple.
Pumunta na rin kayo dito, mami?
By the way, last night, pero bukas siya. Laro kami 15 years, laro kami sa loob. Nag-picture ako niya. Dahil ako
Marami daw marami pumunta.
Wow. That's a cherry blossom. Ano? Walkway. Mahaba. Here in Kamakura.
Ah, so na kumakaya.
Ano yung handmade? Ano yung gili?
You want here? May restaurant ba dyan inside? Yeah. Nagdaan. Mga shops. Naghahanap kami ng kakainan. Wala pa rin kami makita. Puno lahat. So, we are looking for a place where to eat.
Chinese. Xiaolongbao.
Xiaolongbao, Chinese yan eh. Chinese restaurant? No. Gusto niyo dito?
Do you guys want Chinese?
McDonald's daw gusto nila eh. McDonald's ba gusto niya talaga? Ayaw daw ni Kurt eh. Si ano lang may gusto eh. Si MJ lang eh. Ikaw lang pala MJ eh. Wow. See? Nice. We're going down. Wow. And there's another ticket. Tama ka, mami. May ticket pa pala.
Wala bang buntot? Wala nga. Fish ko nga yan.
Ano masasabi mo? Pagod kayo, no? Oo, di ba? Magka-travel ba kayo uli? Ano? Pagoda? Yung naglalakad.
Okay lang, upo ka muna.
Okay lang yan. May rami upuan siguro sa loob niyan. Baka mamaya paglabas natin wala ng tao. Kasi nakaalis na sila lahat. Sana. Ang dami, no?
Grabe yan eh.
Hindi rin namin expected yun. Kala ko wala masyadong pumupunta dito. Popular. Hey, guess what? Finally, we're here. Sa Hase.
This is Kotokuin Temple, Sitting Buddha.
Ano nga ulit?
Kotokuin.
Kotokuin Temple. Sa Hase, Kamakura. Okay? So, papakita na namin sa inyo si Sitting Buddha.
Hey, so now, whenever I beat it.
There you go.
Tamad na Buddha.
Boy, don't say that. That's their ano. That's their... Don't say anything like that for a religious ano figure, okay? Okay.
Ba't ka na kay Gary?
Hindi, napagod na. Paggabi yan. You can make your own. O, panik tayo. Ba't uwi ba sila? Are they coming home? They're so huge. Picturean mo, be.
Tingin akong charm.
Sabi nung squirrel, ngayon lang kayo nakita ng squirrel?
Vantage point of the green car.
Sinagawa na to.
Shinagawa.
Nasa green car kami. Green car. Nasa second floor kami ng train. Dahil ang face natin.
Upper deck.
Upper deck. So, kita yung sa baba. Ang taas namin. First time.
お待たせいたしました。まもなく発車いたします。
Yay! Hello! Ayan, we are in Imperial Palace. Ito yung view paggabi. Yan, so since ito nag-stop yung green car from Kamakura, so we already took advantage of being here and nag-drop by na kami sa Imperial Palace. And later on, magpo-photoshoot dun sa Tokyo Station. Sit, sit. Sit, sit. Siririt. Sit, sit. So, part 2
Sa Mario Kart lang
ng ating Tokyo tour. Kita nyo, ang ganda, no? Yan yung buong Tokyo Station.
Go-kart?
See? So huge. Right?
The inspiration
And
of that is the ano.
ang mga gala ay nandito pa. Gabi na. Hoy, magsiuwi na kayo.
Masaya pa, masaya pa. That's the old municipal hall daw. Ganyan daw mukha ng municipal hall nila.
Ah. Video pala yun.
No?
So, we are already nearing the Tokyo Station and I have here Mr. RC. So we've been here many times already, but I don't think we're gonna get tired of seeing Tokyo Station. Very majestic during night. Diba?
Yes. Why you're tired?
Arigato. Yun na yun?
Hindi, dadagdagan pa na.
Okay. Excited! Excited kaming kumain. Let's okay. Let's eat. Ay, gumalaw pa. Buhay pa. Okay. The instruction of how to make the rice is how to enjoy mabushi meshi. Open the lid. Number 2, simply enjoy the taste. Papalagyan ng salt daw. And then number 3, place your preferred tempura over rice or the tendon sauce. Tendon sauce is the one there, so yellow. And then serving. Okay. Yan. Simulan na nila. Okay, tingnan natin.
What? Pardon?
May exam after, ah. Okay, so we'll do the same for hours. Okay?
So let's just first check. Kumalat yan. Teka. Kumalat yan. Okay. Then.
Hindi pa.
Ano ba? Ito with curry. This one is with curry. And it's the usual sauce.
We use the steam directly.
Okay.
You can eat it here later.
And then, after,
You can put the sauce there.
you can pour down. You can get a portion and put it in your small bowl. What's this?
So,
And which one?
this one is with curry.
Ano kaya mas
This
okay?
one is curry. With curry yan.
Okay, let's try the with curry. I like curry.
イカですね。黒豆、舞茸でラスト。
Right. Kuha na tayo ng tempura. Ito. Unahin natin to. This is what?
Ito tsaka yan. Hojicha yan. Hojicha.
Shiitake. Shiitake mushroom. Dip natin sa tempura sauce. Then let's try. Hot. Sorry.
Yung salt. The best.
Hot. Oh, good. So good. Ah, dami pa oh. Busin muna namin to.
What?
Na.
Grabe.
Ang bilis oh. Wala pang 10 minutes.
Gutom na gutom.
Ha? Ubos. Na, nakulong.
Well, pati sa MJ naubos niya.
That's me. Anong ubos?